Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how you can enable dark mode on threads in 2025. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps. Now, without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, when you launch your Threads mobile application, then tap on this profile icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. You won't be able to find any of the options that could help you to change the dark mode. Even if you tap on the three lines in the top right hand corner, you won't be able to get any of the dark mode options over here. It is because currently Threads doesn't have the dark mode button. Instead, it actually matches the light or the dark theme that you have set on your phone. So if you are using iPhone, you need to go to the settings, then go to display and brightness and tap on the dark option. If you are using Android, you need to just swipe down your notification bar here in the top, then tap on this dark mode option. Now, as soon as you tap on this dark mode option, you will notice that now your Threads application is also in the dark mode. Now, this way you will be able to basically automatically switch to the dark mode. No extra step is needed. You can also schedule the dark mode from sunset to sunrise in your phone's setting, and Threads will follow that schedule automatically too. If you switch your phone back into the light mode, Threads will switch too. So since it doesn't offer a separate dark mode, you need to simply just toggle it yet. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can just let me know that in the comment section below, and I'm here to help you out with that. Thanks for watching. Bye.